Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this princess cake. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel for free. I made my own template for the crown. It's basically a long rectangular and then you cut out little triangles at the top. Place it on top of a very long strip of pink fondant or any color fondant that you would like, and simply cut away using your X-Acto knife. Just make sure that it's nice and precise. Cut out heart shapes in the middle of each triangle using the smallest cutter that you have. Let your piece air dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes and you will notice that your fondant will start to get really hard, and this is exactly what you want. So at this point you have two options. Either you glue it right away like I'm doing right now using a small amount of water, glue both ends together, and then just let your piece dry for at least 24 to 48 hours. Or wrap it around any round object that you have in the house. And then if you do this, you just have to make sure that it's obviously the same size as the crown that you have created. And once again, simply make sure that both ends are glued with a little bit of water. I prefer this method because I know for a fact that my crown will be perfectly round and it's just much simpler to deal with. And then once again, simply let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. I like to pull away also the top of my triangles just to give a little entrance. Using this mold by Wilton, you're going to fill in the bottom part using white fondant. Turn your piece around and then gently remove the fondant from your mold. And then you're going to glue that piece at the bottom of your crown using a small amount of water. Roll out yellow fondant and then cut out numerous pieces using the smallest daisy cutter that you have. And then using your X-Acto knife, you're going to cut out the petals, making sure that you're cutting two at a time, and this will create the leaves for your flowers. For my flowers, I made a couple of mini roses using this kind of mold, and then just created a little bit of interest by brushing a small amount of powder right at the top. And then I made also these kind of little flowers that are very simple and cute. I printed out this princess image using my edible printer, and then I'm going to glue it using a little bit of piping gel and simply glue it on top of a white fondant piece. And then cut out my piece using a round cutter to make sure that I have that perfect round shape. All the material that I'm using in this video will be in my description box. Roll out a thin strip of yellow fondant and then you're going to insert it in your pearl mold. Once your cavities are all filled in, remove your fondant from your mold very gently. I'm crumb coating my cake using buttercream, and then I'm going to chill it in the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then do a second coat of buttercream. Cover the entire cake using white fondant, and then you're going to smooth out the top part first using your smoother, making sure that you're getting rid of all the bubbles, and then you can go ahead and then smooth out the edges using your fingers, and then work your way down. Cut out the excess at the bottom using your pizza cutter. Use two smoothers at a time to create crisp edges. Now's the time to have fun, and let's put the cake together. Secure the crown at the top of the cake using a little bit of buttercream, and this is it. This is how I create my princess crown cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, simply give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free by clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks, and hope to see you again.